Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and new latest ideas and styles, looks for girls and women's latest styling and latest ideas, beautiful and elegant, perfect for formal ascension looks, different and beautiful colors and style. So I hope you like it. Create a classic tote bag with sturdy handles. You can use a thick cotton yarn for beautiful stitches, crochet pattern, and add French at the button. Beautiful bottom for a bohemian look. Use earthy tones and textured stitches. Design a lightweight match style bags to carry for carrying different style and different looks. To make a colorful and eye-catching handbags, mix and match color for a playful effect. So I hope you like it. So please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end. Mention in the comment section for your feedback. Experiment with straps of different birds and colors to create a visually appealing design. This unique stitch pattern is symbol crocodile skulls and adds a dramatic texture look to your bag. It makes a bag that can be worn has both a shoulder bag and a backpack. It's so beautiful for ascension, different function and less clutch.